Whenever we want a super delicious snack, we oftentimes open the fridge and reach right for the spinach, right? Well, if you don't, then I'm here to give you good reason to do so, because you can make a scrumptious dip with it that's totally healthy and vegan. The first thing you'll need is obviously spinach. You can get the frozen chopped spinach at your local grocery store. And you'll need about 4 cups of this wonderful stuff. And you'll want to thaw it out and squeeze all the water out of it. Next, you'll need to chop up an onion or 2, and peel about half a bowl of garlic, and then chop it up into tiny bits. Then you'll put your onions and your garlic into a skillet with about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil. I prefer grapeseed oil or coconut oil myself, but go for what suits you. Once everything in your skillet has caramelized, set it aside and get your next few ingredients and place them into a blender. 2 cups of silken tofu, a tablespoon of brown or Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a pinch of nutmeg, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Blend these ingredients until they become a nice, smooth puree. Now dump the puree into a mixing bowl and then add your spinach and your caramelized onions and garlic. And then enjoy. This dip should stay good for at least 2 days, but I doubt it'll take you that long to finish it. So be sure to whip up your own healthy spinach dip today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.